This video explains the integration between Mosaic for sample management and Brooks Life Sciences auto stores. Titian Software specializes in sample management. They offer software products and consultancy services that help their clients to improve the supply of samples to their vital research processes. Brooks Life Sciences is a leading provider of sample management solutions, including automated sample storage systems.
One of the reasons that Titian and Brooks have a partnership such as this is really because the products that we offer have synergies. Often in a lab where you're managing sample inventories, there will be a need to make sure those samples are stored efficiently to maintain sample integrity. Titian's Mosaic software integrates with various instruments from Brooks, such as large and small automated stores, tube rack readers and tube auditors. One key aspect of a partnership with companies such as Titian and Brooks is we both have product roadmaps and we're continually working together to make each other aware of what we're doing development-wise, making sure that when those developments come to market, we can work together effectively with our customers.
A couple of good examples of this is our joint approach to project management for customer projects and also our collaboration on development roadmaps. Titian Mosaic will provide us a list of samples. When those samples arrive, we'll verify the IDs in our imager, and then we'll confirm that the codes that we've read match the codes that Titian Mosaic has sent in its list. Now, the other way of doing that is that the user can just simply walk up to the store and load the samples, and then the imager will again read the 2D codes, and we will provide that list of 2D codes to Titian Mosaic, and Mosaic will do the verification that the samples are those that were expected. Much of this video is focused on the Brooks Sample Store SC and BioStore SC together with Titian Sample Bank. Both of these are examples of taking leading edge technologies and packaging those up in a standardized solution that allow for faster delivery and lower cost for the benefit of our end users. And this is often very attractive for academic institutes and smaller businesses where there perhaps isn't the bandwidth for a large development project or a large customized project. Brooks and Titian have a very close working relationship. This brings a number of benefits to the customer, both in terms of the solution that we're able to implement, which often allows for higher throughputs and a smoother operation, but also a faster and easier implementation for the customer.
Sometimes you may have a central sample management group and they will be managing the inventories, and scientists peripherally in groups around the company can place requests for those samples for their assays. So the Mosaic software enables those requests to be placed, and then the items that are required for those requests, we can send a pick job to the store to automatically pick those items that are required for that assay. There's of course then downstream processing that happens, so those samples are transferred into microtiter plates, for example, in particular formats at a given concentration and a given volume. So those downstream liquid handling processes are all tracked in Mosaic through an order workflow. The integration with the Brooks tube rack scanners is through our application called TPV, which stands for Tube Position Verifier. It simply does that. It verifies positions of tubes in racks. For example, if you drop a rack and the tubes spill out, it's going to be near impossible to get all the tubes back in the right place. So you can put your tubes back anywhere, scan them on the tube rack scanner, and Mosaic's database will be updated to rectify the new positions of those items in the rack. One example of where Titian and Brooks have worked together on their product roadmaps is in the development of a driver for the BioStore 3 CryoStore unit. So that's something that Titian and Brooks are co-working on.
To conclude, the collaboration between Titian software and Brooks bring a number of benefits, including you can search for samples and pick them from the store within Mosaic. You get automatic updates of your actions. Your storage and retrieval become more efficient. Your use of storage capacity is optimized. You can retrieve samples in just a few clicks and have total sample trackability. Mosaic will automatically generate pick jobs from orders. Mosaic will allocate work to the store according to order priority. To learn more, head over to www.titian.co.uk/Brooks-Life-Sciences.